Pit bulls, they're not just one breed, but a whole category of amazing dogs. The term pit bull encompasses several breeds, including the American Pit Bull Terrier, American Staffordshire Terrier, and Staffordshire Bull Terrier. The most famous of the bunch, the American Pit Bull Terrier. Originally bred for bull baiting, they later became hard-working farm dogs. They are powerhouses, known for their strength and impressive agility. Pit bulls are known for their impressive jumping ability, which can be both a blessing and a challenge for owners. Military heroes. During World War I and II, pit bulls were used as mascots and symbols of bravery, including Sergeant Stubby, the most decorated war dog. Sadly, media portrayals have given them a bad rap. Hearts of gold. Don't be fooled by the tough exterior. Pit bulls are incredibly loyal and affectionate family dogs. They're quick learners and excel in obedience training. Who's a good dog? Their high pain tolerance sadly made them targets for dogfighting rings. Just like us, they need regular exercise to stay happy and healthy. Get ready for many adventures. They have a lifespan of 12 to 14 years. From brindle to blue, they come in a stunning variety of colors and patterns, including brindle, black, blue, and red. Short coat. Pit bulls have a short, smooth coat that requires minimal grooming, making them relatively low maintenance. Like all breeds, they're prone to certain health concerns, such as hip dysplasia, hip and hind leg problems, among other issues. They thrive on social interaction, loving the company of people and other dogs. Important to remember, their strong prey drive means caution around smaller animals is key. Say cheese, you can't miss their adorable smiling faces, pure joy. Sadly, they face breed-specific legislation in some areas. Gentle giants at heart, their gentle nature makes them fantastic therapy and service dogs. Loyal protectors, they're protective of their families, making them excellent guard dogs. Open your heart and home. Adopting or rescuing a pit bull can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Thank you for watching. Thanks for joining us on this journey to understand these amazing dogs. We hope you learned something new and maybe even fell in love with pit bulls a little bit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming animal content. Until next time, stay paw-sided.